Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to go over Ethereum and my general thoughts on the market right now. So the first thing I want to talk about is this long downtrend that we've broken just recently in March. So we have these lower highs that keep acting as resistance, right? And we keep getting rejected off this general downtrend. And then we broke back above it. We broke the downtrend and we made a new high, a higher high on April 3rd. So we took out this high and now we're coming back down a bit. And, I just see this as we broke the downtrend. We're starting something new. It's shaping out to be an uptrend, right? We have a higher low right here, and then we could print another one here, somewhere around here. And, this is a very good look for Ethereum. I think that, give it a few weeks. If we start, keep climbing back up, we take out this high, then we could be off to new all-time highs, in a few months. And, that would be very exciting because anytime we get a new all-time high, that's a very good sign. It's a bullish sign that the market's back on. It's a bull market. We're going to continue, right? The bullish momentum just carries and carries, and it just keeps trending, right? Until eventually it just kind of blows off. But yeah, so basically, if we can get back above this high right here, that's a very, very good sign that the trend's back on, because it would show us that not only do we have two higher highs, we also have a few higher lows. So that is the definition of an uptrend, and we can really take that and we can carry that with us to the 4000s and then beyond. Another thing I want to show you guys is an indicator I made. It shows the price relative to the 50-day simple moving average. So if you don't know, the 50-day simple moving average basically takes the closing price of the last 50 days and it averages it together. So here's the indicator, and basically whenever price is closing above it, it's going to plot the close in green. And anytime it's below it, it's going to plot it in red. So I really like this because it's so easy to visualize how price action works around these. So you can generally see how this simple moving average, provides a lot of insight on the market. So for example, when we were on this massive uptrend, right? We were above it the entire time. It was, it was just a one big uptrend. And then when we came back down and tested it, we're like, all right, we're good. Came back up, tested again, dipped down and below it for a brief few days. Then we're like, okay, it was just a fake out. We're going to keep going. We're ready. And that's when we had this major rally, the blow off top. And then when we broke back below it and we kind of held that as resistance, that was a major sign, guys. We had a major, a long downtrend ahead of us, and we did. From that point, when we first rejected it, we dropped 37% over 56 days, so pretty significant. But I do want to note that when we broke back above it, that was a great sign, right? First time being above it in 56 days, and then we didn't really have to retest it. We were just off to the races. We were ready, we were good. And then later, when we broke back below it, it was worrying, and that's basically when the major downtrend started. So you'll notice over 50 days, negative 45%. So a very large downtrend. And then we came back up, tried to get above it. We rejected. And then similar to this move, we had this sort of double bottoming pattern. So one low in June, and then another low in July. And then we have one low here in January, another one in March. And we just broke back above it, and now we're holding it as support. So this is a very good sign, guys. I would be I would be looking out to see if we can hold this and continue, take out this high. It would be a very good look on the market. I think it would be, it would just be very bullish. So one other thing I want to show you guys is the ETH Bitcoin ratio. So this is on the weekly chart. This was on the daily chart, by the way. So this is showing Ethereum with respect to Bitcoin. So it's not going to be valuing it against USD, but Bitcoin. So this ratio could be moving up while Ethereum is moving down, or it could be moving down while Ethereum is moving up. So it's a little bit different. Definitely looks different. I want to show you guys how we had this major, massive double bottom in, early 2020, late 2019. So we have this massive double bottom, and ever since it's just been this one long continuous uptrend. So right now we're kind of consolidating, and I think that's like fueling the rocket ready to go to space, right? So this is a very big level. It's a very important level from the prior cycle in 2018 and 2017. This was generally where we just kind of came up and then rejected down for the very long, harsh bear market. We've been consolidating for about 49 weeks. So almost a year now we've been at these levels and we're still holding. And that's a great sign, right? That's showing us that we're kind of calming down, the calm before the storm, right? We've had this massive uptrend, and now we're just kind of sitting tight, waiting for the next move. So it's kind of coiling up right here. And sorry about that, guys. It's just one massive base right here. So if we do continue and we get back up to these levels, for example 0.125, that would be absolutely incredible. And just to put that in perspective for you guys, if we were at 0.125 and Bitcoin was $100,000, that would mean Ethereum is at 12,500. So you can see how quickly it can add up, right? Yeah, so just something to keep an eye out, right? You want to see this continue to hold, which it probably will. It's been there for about a year. And if we get back above these highs and start breaking out, that would be a great sign. Ethereum will be off to the races, new all-time highs on the USD pair, and that would be great. So definitely keep an eye out for that in the coming months. I don't think it's going to be immediate. I don't think it's going to be, instantaneous. This needs time, guys. I'd give it time. I'd be patient with this. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Any feedback in the comments is greatly appreciated. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.